Sorry I was late with this hair growth update. I was traveling to Kyushu, Japan, to Aso Mountain, which is a live volcano. Totally worth it, really exciting, but it did set me back a day or two getting this video out. Yeah, it's not working. The Alpha Infuse is not working the way I was kind of hoping. I mean, I saw some hope, and but now I don't seem to be feeling it. I will post dry real quick. I'll show you guys how it looks dry, and then I'll show it again after I apply it so it gets wet. When it's wet, it's easier to see the scalp more. I don't know, man. What do you guys think? This is what it looks like now. Let me get the screen so I can see. Do you guys see any new hair growth? There was a time when I thought I saw like black dots, but now I'm not sure I see it. Let me do this manually. Some hairs look longer, like they're just suddenly growing, but I don't see new hair growth right now. Okay, so this is how many applications I've done. 1, 2, 3. I lost this bottle. I have no idea where it went. I also lost like the shoot of my camera the other day. I have no idea where that thing went. It's big and heavy. Oh, God, I'm going crazy. Anyway, so what? 4 or 5 applications. I think I'm gonna double up, guys. I think I'm gonna do as much as I'm really busy, but I'm gonna try and do twice a week and see if we get some improvement here, because at this point it's just, I don't know. I don't think it's worth it. I don't. All right, so I'm going to double up. I'll show you, I'll apply it real quick now, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like wet and compare it with past times that it was wet. Just in case you're here for the first time, I will do this really quickly. You have to move the serum from the serum bottles to a micro-infuse bottle. I think it's called micro-infuse. Basically, it's got a needle head on it with 24 karat gold small micro needles, and these push the serum into below your scalp. So, and then you just, let me show you. Okay, so just in case you're new here, so you can see I still got a lot of thinning here in the front. So what I'm doing now is I'm pushing the serum into my head, just trying to move it over slightly to make sure that every part, here, let me see if I can adjust. Yeah, really thinning. I noticed the other day when I was traveling, I met a student of mine, an old online student. Oh, starting to come in, my face dropped down. An old online student. We had never met in person, but when I told her I was going to her neck of the woods to shoot video of the active volcano, because they're like stage 2 alert right now, and the volcano is actually like swelling, the mountain is swelling, and I guess there was like a small like mini eruption where it shot off the water that was on top kind of exploded and started glowing at night. So that was in June, end of June, like June 20 something. So I wanted to check it out. And when I told her that I was going, here, let me show you the back. When I told her I was going, she said that she often goes there. It's like her favorite place to hang out. It's like her power spot or whatever. So I ended up like meeting up with her So I didn't have to drive my scooter. I didn't have to take the ferry with my scooter because she was driving. She had a little Jimny, the Suzuki Samurai. Do any of you guys remember the Suzuki Samurai? Do they still sell that in the US? I remember when I was in high school, like back in the 1980s, a friend of mine bought one. It was the coolest little thing. But they've really come a long way since then. Anyway, it's getting backwards, kind of hard to see. But I noticed she kept looking at my head, looking up at the front of my head, like forehead and above my hairline area. So I think she was picking up on how my head was thinning. So what day is today? I came back Sunday. Usually I do these videos on Sunday, and I came back late Sunday night, like midnight Monday morning. So I couldn't do a video then. And then, you know, coming back from vacation, I had a lot of stuff to do. I mean, it wasn't vacation. I was there shooting for my channel. But I made that channel so that I would get out of my classroom once in a while, because I love teaching and I love making study materials for my students. So I made my Japan travel video channel to help get me out of the house, so to speak, get me out of the class, out of the office, because I really love the culture here. I love the scenery, and you know, I'm the last, what was it, the American Ninja thing or Last Ninja movies, you know, those back in the 1980s. I used to love those and really romanticize when Shogun was, the original Shogun movie was airing on TV. You know, I was totally into that. So one of you guys in the comments mentioned that you're going to try another serum, and I hope you do. Recent situation. After five bottles, this is the 6th bottle today. Okay, so well, I haven't seen the results yet, you know, comparing, but just looking here on my iPad, not promising. I don't know, maybe it's because I've been out in the sun recently. I don't know. Anyway, let me know what you think. I've started, I don't know if you noticed I lost a little bit of weight, I hope. I've started the sardine diet. Not really the sardine diet. I tried that once. I did only sardines for like 3 days. I lost 5 kilos, which, what is that? Is that 10 pounds or something? Hey Google, how many pounds is 5 kilos?
5 kilograms is about 11 pounds.
11 pounds? Okay. So, and that was just in 3 days. It was amazing, but I hate fish. I love sushi, but I hate that fishy smell. So what I've been doing is like just eating it little by little lately, trying to eat, you know, 1 a day or 1 every 2 or 3 days. Not really diet style, but I'm starting to get used to it. I'm starting to acquire a taste for it, because I think most things are acquired. Even like beer didn't taste good the first time we drank it, right?